Hello, kids! Excited about the community painting competition?
Yes, Bob! I made my mama buy me a new set of paintbrushes. I so want to use them! You know, I think I'll paint a vase full of flowers. I want to try my hand at drawing a canary.
A rainbow! That's what I'm going to paint.
Oh, well, I've been practicing at home. I got Spud, my doggy, to pose for me. Take a look.
Oh!
Ooh! That is so awesome! I'm sure you'll win the competition.
Yeah.
Yep. Ah!
What's wrong, Polly?
Oh no! I left my paint kit and brushes at home.
Oh, can't you call your mom and tell her to drop it here?
She's at work. So is Dad. Oh, what do I do now? I won't be able to take part in the competition.
If you want to show you care, is there something you can share? For your friend is in need, and help you can, indeed.
Polly, here. You can use my brushes. I won't use all of them all the time. Oh, but they're brand new. And they're perfect for you and me.
Yeah, and if you sit next to me, you can use my paint box. And Jill and I can use her crayons. So here, you can use mine.
Oh, yes, totally. Oh, wow, you guys. Are you sure?
Of course!
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah, you guys are the best. You will ace the contest. 'Cause you know how to share.
Yeah.
'Cause you do really care. Congratulations, Polly! That's wonderful!
She also won a gift card from the new toy store. Way to go, Polly!
Polly, now you can buy that doll you always wanted. No, Mary, I won't be buying the doll. Oh, but why? Because I'm going to buy a board game for 6 players.
What? Wow, really?
Yeah! If you all hadn't shared your paints and crayons and brushes, I wouldn't have won. So now, I want to get something for all of us and share my prize.
Aww. To my friends, thanks a ton. You make sharing so much fun. Give a little, get a lot. What a lovely, lovely thought.
Come on, let's get to the store before it closes.
Yeah!
Remember, my friends, when you give a little, you do get a lot in return. So enjoy sharing your toys and your treats with your friends. And don't be surprised when they share with you. Have a wonderful day filled with joy, laughter, and learning. See you soon!